Hi, George Preston here with SpinetiX at ISE 2020, special edition ISE for SpinetiX, not least because we're releasing two new plans for ARYA cloud platform. Those avid viewers will remember we launched ARYA 18 months ago and we've been growing the user base steadily ever since. We've tested it, tweaked it, and this week we're releasing ARYA Premium, which is to give end users who want to upgrade independently a few more features, a bit more power, a bit more storage. Still the ability to add unlimited players as you get in the free version. And then for the AV reseller channel, there's the enterprise version of ARYA, which offers a lot more flexible billing, flexible subscription options, everything you need to be able to package this up, add services on top of it for your customer. And there's another special feature that's only present on ARYA Enterprise, which is the ability to upload projects from the enterprise tool, Elementi, into ARYA for your end user to then schedule like they can do any other object. Really exciting development. If you haven't tried out ARYA yet, do so at spinetiX.com/ARYA, ARYA. Thanks.